advanced fees. I'm going to get it set up where we have order level fee that always triggers. That's triggered in percentage. So there, I've just set it up, large party fee, 3%. And now we're just going to go to register app, and we're going to grab a couple of items. A fruit, how about that? We'll grab an apple, 15 pounds of it, and we have our large party fee right there, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to, save this order, right? So the order has been saved, and then we're going to go to orders, and we're going to reopen it, reopen the order, and the fee remains. I'm going to minimize it like this and open it. The fee does remain, so I'm going to go to pay screen and then go back. It remains. So I'm not really experiencing an issue where an order is saved. We can start another one like so. There's a large party fee, and save that one, and then go back and open the first order and reopen, and the fee is right there. So that's pretty solid in terms of being able to open and reopen the order and the fee remaining to be triggered as it was.